welcome to my channel. Today is the start of 12 days of Christmas baking, and for today's video we are making Raffaello balls. This is one of my childhood favorites and I thought it would be perfect to start with it. So let's get started. For Raffaello balls you will need some hazelnuts, precisely 200 grams, which is what I'm going to start with first. I'm going to roast mine. Then you need 200 grams of coconut, unsweetened, and then plus 100 more for rolling the balls in. And then, so the 100 grams of coconut and the hazelnut you will need at the end. But to make the little dough, you will need some powdered milk, about 400 grams. Then you'll need the 200 grams of coconut. Then you'll need 400 grams of butter, and then of sugar, 400 grams of sugar, and then you'll need 250 grams of butter. And you're gonna need about 2/3 of a cup of water. So I'm gonna get started with adding my hazelnuts into my cast iron. I'm gonna put it in the oven to roast up, and then you want to peel all the skin off. So for the dough, I'm going to bring water and sugar into a gentle boil. So we have reached the gentle boil. I'm going to add my butter. So once the butter has melted completely, I'm going to add my coconut, followed by the powdered milk. And now it needs to completely cool down, and it's supposed to be a very thick consistency when it's cooled off. It took about 2 hours in the snow outside the pot for it to become solid and cooled off. And once it was that consistency, I brought it in and started making the balls. I am using a small scoop from Paper Chef, and simply because I want them to be all the same size. You could also just eyeball it with your hand or use a spoon to scrape it up. It really doesn't matter. You can make them smaller, you can make them bigger. Then I flatten it and I add my baked hazelnuts that I had baked and peeled, and then roll it in a ball, and then roll that ball in the coconut. This would be the hardest part of this recipe, but it's so well worth it in my opinion because they taste absolutely delicious. And this recipe made about 40 balls this size, give or take. I might have sampled a few of them.
before I put them in the box. Well, I hope you had enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!